here is Spill app, and in case you're wondering what it looks like and what this app is about, so let's just dive in. First of all, it's available in the App Store, but you need to have an invite code. This app is kind of, the idea of it is just like a social media. It looks like Twitter. It's quite visual. There are a lot of videos and GIFs here, but basically I was able to get invite code, and this is how it looks like. Then you can just see the feed, your some different updates, texts, and then yeah, it's very visual. There are a lot of GIFs, but basically it's just like Twitter. And then you can comment on someone posts. You can like it, basically, which is like has like a cup of tea. Then you can share it. Oops. And then you can post yourself. There is a 90 characters limit, seems like that. Then you can also add GIFs, add websites, add polls, add images. So yeah, that's what you can do. And then you can just scroll. All right, so you can also just change the view of your screen like that, if you want it more visual or not. And then basically you can just post it, and then it will be available like that. So yeah, then it's just available. You can quote it, and then yeah, there's just your account. If you want to change your username, or I don't know if you can do it, but basically here's your account. You can delete it, by the way, from here. Colorways, you can change the color theme. You can log out. You can change your profile picture. Okay, so seems you can't edit your handle. You can only set it up when you create your account. Then you also have this invitations code just under edit your profile. There is like a ticket icon. You can do that. Then you have spills, comments, T. T is just basically what you liked. Spills are just basically your tweets, and comments, this is how you commented. This is reputation score, is your way to unlock rewards, new features, and other benefits just by being dope and keeping community safe on Spill. So that's the idea. So that's the app. It's like very minimalistic, but it's quite fun. Yeah, I don't know if there is any moderation, all of this. So just be careful, with all these new apps. But seems it's a nice trending app. Seems it's going viral on TikTok. It's really in top charts just at this moment. About WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram. So give it a try.